The native Zendesk Salesforce connector is one way. Data flows from Salesforce into Zendesk. But ticket data, CSAT scores, escalation history, none of that flows back. And formula fields do not trigger syncs at all because of a Salesforce streaming API limitation. Zapier handles simple triggers, but it caps at 104,000 records and defaults to overwriting Zendesk tags on every sync. That is silent data loss. Custom code means writing against two APIs with different rate limits. Salesforce gives you 100,000 calls per day. Zendesk caps you at 700 requests per minute on a good plan, and you are maintaining that integration forever. So let me show you a different approach. Stacksync connects Salesforce and Zendesk directly, real-time, bi-directional. Let me show you. Takes about 5 minutes. To create a real-time, bi-directional sync between Salesforce and Zendesk, let's begin by clicking the Create Resource button on the homepage. This enables us to initiate a new integration workflow without writing a single line of code, instantly reclaiming valuable engineering hours previously spent on manual integration tasks. Next, we click the Syncs button to create a new sync. In the sync name field, enter a name that clearly identifies your integration. Now, let's select Salesforce as our first connected app by clicking on Salesforce. Here, we can either choose an existing Salesforce connection or create a new one, ensuring seamless connectivity to your CRM data. Once your Salesforce connection is ready, confirm your choice by clicking the Select button. Moving forward, click on Zendesk to select it as your second connected app. Again, you can choose an existing Zendesk connection or create a new one, providing flexibility for any integration scenario. Click the Select button to confirm your Zendesk connection. From here, let's configure the tables by clicking the Link Tables button. In the next step, use the drop-down, or start typing to quickly find and select the tables you want to link across Salesforce and Zendesk. To view available table options for mapping, click the drop-down arrow. You can select from existing tables or create new ones as needed, enabling rapid adaptation to evolving business requirements. Next, click the Map Fields button to configure field mappings between your linked tables. Expand and select the specific table fields to sync by clicking Show Columns. Afterwards, use the drop-down arrow to choose the desired column mapping options, ensuring precise, bi-directional data consistency. Finally, click the Create button to save and create your new sync. You will be redirected to the current syncs page, where you can easily toggle the switch to activate your integration. With these steps, we've created a robust, real-time two-way sync between Salesforce and Zendesk. Stacksync provides true enterprise-grade security, advanced error handling, and proven scalability, empowering your teams to accelerate time to value for integrations while significantly lowering your total cost of ownership. For more details on Stacksync's capabilities and additional demos, visit our website.